Hello, my name is Derek Franklin, and I'm an applications engineer here at GoEngineer. In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you how we can set wire widths on the fly inside of a SOLIDWORKS electrical schematic. Sometimes you may want to display a width of a wire type that is different than the other wire types on the schematic. Now, of course, you can specify a default wire width through the wire manager. However, this is something that can be changed on the fly in the schematic. So again, in this quick tip video, I'm going to show you how this is done. So I'm going to go up here, and just to show you here, go into my wire manager. And when I click on the manager button here, so again, I can set a default width for any wire type that I have. So for example, I just went to this phase 1 and go to the properties, and you can see the line width field there, and I can specify a default. Right now it's set to 0. So anytime I draw this wire, it's going to have that default width. However, like I said, there may be times where I want to display a different width inside of a schematic than my default. So I can do that inside of the schematic just by going to the particular wire here. I can right click on it. I'm going to go wire style, and I'm going to select properties. Now here is the line width field where I can type in there the specific width that I want. So I'm just going to type a value in here and say OK. And as you can see here, that width will automatically update on the screen here for me for that particular wire type, and it does it throughout the entire schematic. Now it is important to note that when you change a wire styles property via right click, it does indeed change the wire styles property throughout the whole project and inside the wire style manager. So even though it doesn't change the default value of a project template, if you were to start a new sheet in this same project and draw with that wire, it will be the new line width that you set. So there you have it. Just a way to be able to change that wire width on the fly if needed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.